Welcome to Forex Tester Online. My name is Jack, and today I'm going to guide you through how you can import your trades from your live trading account or your demo trading account into Forex Tester Online so you can analyze every trade and see what the analyzer gives to help you be more profitable in the market. So we're going to start off in our dashboard where we can see all our backtests, and we basically just need to come here and go to Trades Import. You can see here we can upload it in CSV, HTML, HTML, with a max of 10 megabytes, and the supported are MT4, MT5, NinjaTrader, TradingView, and more that will be coming soon. So basically the only thing we need to do is import our report history. Okay, when you download it from MT5 it looks like this, and you just basically bring it up to here, and there you'll see that we had a total of 65 trades with a date range of more or less 2 months, with a P&L of a negative result and a win rate of a 44%. Okay, I used the euro dollar and the GBP USD, and now basically we just need to put a name so we can test 6, and our time zone. All this isn't really so necessary, you can adjust it if you want to, but I basically want to see other type of things, so I'll just basically import trades, and then we just wait for our actual backtest to appear, because it will appear as it would be a normal backtest. And once it's all loaded up, we'll basically find the analytics inside, as basically where we'll see the recommendations for our strategy, and obviously all the calendar where we can see basically the days that were well, the days that weren't well, etc, etc. And obviously the best part here is that analytics will tell us what is best for our strategy. Obviously we always must be careful not to over optimize our strategy, because otherwise it won't work in the future. But it's always great to just say, hey, I've been trading for 3 months, the results aren't what I expected, what can I change or what can I do to redo and see if this backtest would go well. In this case, this was a forward test or a strategy that I was testing, and here it's going to give me some recommendations of what can I do, like try stopping for the day after the first loss to improve profits. In this case, this strategy uses an edge that when I lose one trade, I enter another position against the first trade that I would open. So basically, if I would not do this, I would have earned a plus 485. Okay, in this case, it would still be negative, but obviously it wouldn't be so negative. Another thing that it says here is try focusing on the highly profitable London silver bullet session. Basically what it's saying here is that the trades that I did in the London silver bullet session had a win rate basically over 80%. So obviously I might have to focus more on looking for trades on this session. And we have loads of stuff like this, like try avoiding trading during major news events. So it's basically saying here that on all these newses I'm mostly not going to be profitable. And obviously in this case the difference isn't so big, but on my personal trading strategy, thanks to this, I noticed that my win rate went from a 65% to a 40% because I used to trade with the news. So obviously when I stopped trading with the news, it improved quite a lot. And you can just basically see that the net profit trading during the news is negative. So as you can see, we have loads of things that we can have a look around here, and as well our strengths, the things that our strategy is doing good, we can see them down here as well. And it's always good to just quick take a look on, let's say, the consecutive wins and all that stuff that will give us more information that we normally wouldn't see just by doing a normal forward test. So I hope this video has helped you out with your free trial of Forex Tester Online. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you get the most out of it, and hopefully I'll see you soon.